where do you see the trend in the Indian stockbroking market moving towards? Do you see a DIY process, or you still think the hybrid model will prevail?
So for me, I suggest a different, altogether new segment. So I will not go by a DIY or a hybrid model. I will talk about a new segment that we have entered into, which is zero brokerage. So that's how it's going to be about it. So pricing is very, very important factor, and I agree to Anand where he mentioned that irrespective of platform which is available for execution for the customers, okay, advice is important. Now the advice would be in a different form whether you talk about a DIY model or a hybrid model. Ultimately, advice would be available for the customers on the platform itself. It's in a different shape and form. It could be in a form of a video. It can be in a form of a bit size information, but it's going to be there for the customer.